My two precious sons, forever a part of me, each with your own gifts, your own hopes and dreams, each bringing more to this world than you may ever see. I'm proud of the men you've both grown to be. I love you both more than words can say, and I love you both through every passing day. My firstborn, I watched you grow from boy into man, finding your voice, becoming who you are. Driven by fire, ambitious and strong, you've chased your dreams and kept moving along. A tender heart beneath the strength you show, a kindness those who love you know. The people you cherish mean the world to you, and the way you love them says so much about you. You've carved your own path and made your own way, and I'm so grateful to God for blessing me with you, and so proud of the man you have grown into. You are, and I'm proud of how you've come this far. Then came another soul so precious and rare, with a universe of wonder quietly living there. You see what others miss, color outside the lines, turning empty spaces into worlds that come alive. Your hands give blank pages a heartbeat and soul. Your imagination makes the impossible whole. Beneath your quiet surface lives a heart so kind, always loving those you hold close, leaving no one behind. You give without counting, love without measure. My happiness is your greatest treasure. I'm proud of who you are and the gifts you carry through, and every day I thank God for giving me you. I love you, my son, more than you'll ever know. A precious piece of my heart, wherever life may go. You were never meant to be the same, two different souls, each with your own way. One carries dreams with a fire inside, one carries compassion like an endless tide. The world is better with you both in it, and my life is better because you're here with me. I love you both, wherever you may go, more than these words could ever show. One of the greatest gifts I've ever known is watching you stand by each other as you've grown. Through every season, through every road, you've shared a bond only brothers know. When I see you looking out for each other, I thank God for making you brothers. Wherever life takes you, wherever you roam, you'll always have each other, you'll always have home. I've watched you grow from boys into men, and I'd live every moment all over again. Every joy, every tear, every laugh, every year, if I knees and pray for the very same two souls to find their way to me. I'd still pray for you. I'd still ask God to make you my sons. If I had one prayer and one chance to choose, I'd choose you both again. I'd pray for you both to always be my sons. Wherever life takes you, whatever you do, I'll always be proud, and I'll always love you. And knowing you'll always be there for each other brings peace to my heart.